Itu ono. Wis.
Sik.
Mau dikat. Wis. 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 Oke. 1 2 3 and go. I read. I read. I read. The title of book is If a Bell Street of Cold Talk. The story is told by 1970 Fish Rivers, an 90 years old black girl who lives in Harlem, New York during early 1970 from the very beginning. Fish tells the reader that she is now pregnant and the father of her baby, Alonso, or Fonny Han, Han in his jail. The first, love in the hard work. Fish and Fonny have known each other since they were the children, were grew up in the same of neighborhood, and slowly fell in love and they got older. Their love is deep and honesty and full of care. When the when Tish and her family invite Fonny family to tell them about the pregnancy, it the ends in a big argument. Fonny's mother curses the unborn baby, and Frank slapped her for being so hateful. These scenes show the big contrast between the two families, and one bets on the love and support, the other on the pride and hypocrisy. The title is If a Bell If the Bell Street Called Talk. If the Bell Street Called Talk. Is a part two in the story, Injustice and the Police. Life become worse when the funny and interested for the crime and he did not commit, and a woman named is Victoria Rogers accused him of rape. There is no real evidence, but the police lead of the officer Bell, a policeman who hates the funny because he is a black woman. Quickly, they blame him. Officer Bell has a personal growth. The owns had a conflict with the funny and now uses to his power for defense. The part of the story show the American justice system is unfair for two black people. Even though Fonny is innocent, he is neglected and guilty just because of his skin color. This heartbroken because but refused to give up. She and her family decide to fight for Fonny and freedom. Family struggle. Teen's family hires a lawyer named is Hayward to help Fonny, but it costs is need a lot of money. Her parents her parents start working harder, saving every cent to pay the legal fees. Meanwhile, Sharon Rivers and Teen's mother decide to take the big risk. She traveled to Puerto Rico to get the more money, where the victim, Victoria Rangers, has run away after trial begin. Sharon hopes to convince her to tell the truth. The truth. Part 4, Waiting and Hoping. While Fonny remains in the jail, Fistinis This continue visit him every week. Their love stray, love stays and strong even behind prison walls. Fonny becomes the hopeless each day, but this it keeps him alive with her fight and strength. Overall meaning: the Bell Street Cold Talk tells the story of two young black lovers whose happiness is destroyed by racism and injustice. But even but even when the system fails them, they continue to love, to hope, and stay human. The novel shows the love to form resistance. It helps people survive in the world and tries to destroy them. Baldwin does not give up, does not give a happy ending, but gives something real and meaningful: the power of love, family, and courage. Summary: if Bell Street Cold Talk is about these rivers, a young black woman from Harlem and her finance Fonny, the sculptor who is wrongly accused of the rape to sent to jail. This is pregnant and with the help of her loving family fights fights to prove fights to prove Fanny's innocent. Her mother even travels to Puerto Rico and find the victim. But justice never comes, despite the pain, racism, and around them. This and Fonny love remains strong. The story ends with the Tis visiting Fonny in the prison with their baby, showing that love and hope survive even the suffering. Okay, it's the end of story. If a Bell Street Cold Talk. Thank you.